prominent metro officer and social media star, Greater Gagash Municipality, arrested in massive R1.75 million estate fraud scheme. A popular social media figure and Tshwane Metro Police Constable, Peter Nanyane, widely recognized as Greater Gagash Municipality, finds himself at the center of a major financial crime investigation. Authorities recently took Nanyane into custody alongside his wife following an extensive probe into stolen estate funds.
Because that provision is not intended to be abused. It's intended to cater for specific circumstances. And we cannot, as jurists, interpret the law to suit ourselves only in isolation of facts. Is it in dispute that my clients are arrested in warrant of arrest? It's not. Is it in dispute that an application was made supported by an affidavit? It's not. And with all those facts taken into its totality, there's no other reasonable position that the court can arrive at other than the proposed first option to deny the application. If the court grants, we submit that tomorrow is sufficient time. In fact, I've been instructed by both accused persons that if needs be, and if the court so orders, that an order be made. Accused number one be booked out with the IOs to the physical address where she resides so that physical verification can be done and there's no dispute as to whether they know where she resides.
Officials allege the couple funneled money from deceased estates to fund an extravagant lifestyle, including the purchase of a luxury super SUV. Who is this person? Peter Nanyane is a 36-year-old constable employed by the Tshwane Metro Police Department in Pretoria. Beyond his duties as a law enforcement officer, Nanyane built a massive online persona under the name Greater Gagash Municipality. He became a prominent entertainment promoter and public supporter of Tsonga music and culture. Online, he gained fame for flaunting extreme wealth, regularly posting photos of high-end designer clothing, expensive jewelry, and his multi-million rand mansion built in his home village of Magiva, Giani. The allegations. According to state prosecutors and the Directorate for Priority Crime Investigation, known as the Hawks, Nanyane and his wife, Charlotte TIBANA, a practicing attorney and estate executor, faced serious charges of fraud, theft, and money laundering. Law enforcement officials state that in 2024, TIBANA allegedly used her position as executor to unlawfully transfer approximately R1.75 million out of the bank accounts of two deceased estates. Investigators claim the money was meant for the rightful beneficiaries and heirs of those estates. Instead, prosecutors allege that R1.65 million of the stolen funds was directly used to purchase a pre-owned Mercedes-Benz AMG G63 from a vehicle dealership in Pretoria. Red flags raised by the dealership reportedly triggered the initial investigation by the Hawks. Arrest and court case. Friday, August 14, 2026. Hawks officers, backed by specialized units, arrest Peter Nanyane in Pretoria under a J50 arrest warrant. Monday, August 17, 2026. Nanyane's wife, Charlotte TIBANA, surrenders to authorities in Polokwane. Later that day, both accused make their first appearance before the Polokwane Magistrates Court. Monday, August 17, 2026. Outcome: the court remands both suspects in custody and postpones the matter. Friday, August 21, 2026. Scheduled date for their formal bail application and further court proceedings. Nanyane's social media presence drew widespread public interest long before his arrest. He consistently posted images featuring luxury fashion labels like Gucci, Amiri, and Louis Vuitton, while showing off multi-million rand property developments. The contrast between his public salary as a Metro Police constable and his lavish spending habits frequently raised questions online. Following his court appearance, The Tshwane Metro Police Department announced an internal disciplinary investigation and confirmed it is considering formally issuing an intention to suspend Constable Nanyane. What happens next? The couple remains in police custody as they prepare for their official bail hearing on August 21, 2026. Meanwhile, the Hawks Serious Commercial Crime Investigation Unit continues to process evidence and trace financial transactions linked to the estates. Peter Nanyane went from a high-profile online personality and Metro officer to facing major commercial crime charges. As the legal process continues, it is important to remember that all allegations against Peter Nanyane and Charlotte TIBANA have not yet been proven in court. Both accused are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
And by that time, I don't know 1.4 million. 1.4 M, what's TIBANA? Jesus, hey, Rofana, the Kalayan Nascania, the Yesha, and I'm going to cancer. So 32,000 na cancer vitamin na famba nya 17 na famba tamo vitamina ntambona loko ni vuya ni nga lwetani man tamirila hinkwenu na aniri tamo vitamina lava kwataka va kwatisa hi ku avana tona leri va kwatisiwa hi swona ni ta mukhandziya hinkwenu hambi mi nga helelangi va famba aniri rep sale hlayisa makwenu mi tlhogomelana hinkwenu ne matsutswa timovha ta mina na swo xava swona ka nyikolo tshama hi ri kahle a yi tshama hi va na problem u to zi kota ku pfuna swilo leswi mi ta ndla ti-hawks ona hi mali ya event sibanda a ri kahle a yi ya event ya tele komba ku ni kahle kutani loko ni nyika mali ya 40,000 a ni luzi nchumu iba ya kohile eka ni screenshot mi ya ni isa kwale ka mi ku hit hawks i kombe mali yin'wana yo tala ya 40 utazi ku bvuka mina ni nga ti nga event ni ndle event ya hakuna vumenemene vanhu vo hakela ni ndla yali fambi ya kwata loko kwatini yali ituzi ku bvuka na mbili yo biya 47 na mbili yo biya Bari mireni. Ai tazi vo. Masi ku teka se na ku check sa phone. Ni ku tlakula mi fana kiti. Ntlangeriwa. Hi mhaka ku tlakula.